Hello there! Kumusta? Ako si Binibini Jessa, or you can call me Teacher Jessa, and I am from the beautiful country of the Philippines. I am a licensed professional teacher and a native speaker of Cebuano and Tagalog. I teach Tagalog and Cebuano to all levels, from complete beginners to advanced learners who want to sound more natural. I've also taught English, but I want to focus on teaching Tagalog and Cebuano as a proud Filipina. I have a bachelor's degree in education, major in English, 120-hour TFL certificate, and a year of experience teaching secondary students. I've taught both Filipino and English subjects using the Cebuano, Tagalog, and English language as a part-time private school teacher. I believe learning should be fun, personalized to fit your learning needs. My lessons are clear, interactive, and practical. We'll work on conversation, pronunciation, grammar, and of course, the Filipino culture. Gusto mo bang makipag-usap sa pamilya mo? Mag-travel sa Pilipinas? Want to connect with roots? I'll guide you step by step. Tara! Book a trial lesson with me. Let's build your confidence and start speaking Tagalog or Cebuano naturally. Mabuhay ka! And see you in class.